Hi Jenna, it's Brittany. I look at your resume and let me tell you, I love it. I love it. I love your resume. Um, you have your phone number, your email address underneath your name. You have your career objective of what type of position you want to apply for, and also your qualifications for that job is really great. Your education really is really great. Your experience is really remarkable. Really, I really impressed by your experience. Really impressed. Also your skills. Really a really good job, and use the action phrases in your resume. So that's really good. I really impressed. The resume content was very informative and complete. It clearly demonstrates your ability to perform customer service at a very high level. Um, the additional skills you possess will enhance your resume and place you in a positive position to be hired. Um, you had no mistakes in spelling or grammar, so really good. So really good job on your resume. Really, I'm really impressed.